I mentioned that you don't want to put too much thought into all the H1s, H2s, crazy structure stuff, but there are a few important structure elements to the article that will help with getting it ranked. The first one is making sure it's easily readable. This means chunking it up, having headings, having breaks, images, making it so that people actually go through and finish the article and not just open it and go, oh, it's a wall of text, I don't want to read this, and then close it and go back to Google. You've got to make it easily readable, nicely broken up. This means short paragraphs, having some headings and logical structure to it, having some images, making it fun and readable. Anything you can do so that they get from beginning to end will help with getting it ranked and making sure people take action on your content. The next is no keyword stuffing. So Google will penalize you for this if you go too far with it. If you're trying to constantly hack the keyword into your article and use it tons, they can tell and they'll penalize it. So don't waste time on this. If the article is about the keyword, you're going to use the keyword and variants of it naturally. So don't worry about using it a bunch. Just have it in your headline, have the article be about it, and you'll be fine. I would also include relevant links in the article. This helps Google figure out how your article fits in the structure of the internet and in the structure of your site. So link to your other content on your site as relevant in the article, which will also help with follow-through traffic from SEO. If you have one really popular article in SEO with a lot of links to your other articles, it will pull those other articles up with it as people go through to those articles from finding this one on the search engine. But you can also link out to things as you're mentioning them. And I particularly recommend linking to high authority sources like Wikipedia and research articles. This isn't proven, but I do believe that articles and content that links to high quality content is seen better in Google's eyes than if it's linking to low quality, less good content. So if you're making an assertion or providing some data, make sure that you're linking out to an authoritative source on the subject, like a research article or Wikipedia, and not just to some crummy blog post on another site. Finally, at the end of your article, have some sort of takeaway steps, action items, or have the whole article be steps and action items. This goes back to making it actionable. You want this to be in your structure so that if somebody shows up and they just want to skip to the step-by-step part of it, they know exactly where it starts and what they need to do once they get there. Fit this into your structure, make it easy for them to find, and your article will perform much better. That's everything we need to cover for structure. There's one last piece for making the content perfect for Google that we're going to talk about, and then you'll be ready to do it with your own article.